Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite CAT Preparation Quantifiers. Now in today's Daily DIR morning series, we have a very good set, condition-based set. So these kind of sets are typically asked in CAT exams, and it is on one of the easier sides of the pendulum. Okay, and these sets must be attempted. The optimum time to attempt this set, to be very honest, is around 5 to 6 minutes only, right? Let's see what the set is all about. So it says the table given below shows the answer given by 4 people, namely Mithun, Rajnikant, Prabhudeva and Naresh in an entrance exam by CICIC Bank. Okay. The question paper contained 4 questions, all carrying equal marks, and each of them have 4 answer choices: PQ, QR, RS and ST. So these are the 4 answer choices. The examiner forgot the correct answers to the question, but he remembers that each one of them got at least one correct. Okay, and at least one person answered a question correctly. One person answered a question correctly. No two people had same total marks in the exam. No two people had same, so which means that one person must have one correct, one person must have two correct, one person must have three correct, one person must have four correct. Okay, this is the kind of trend that is going to be followed, right? Okay. Then who got the minimum marks if each correct answer is 4 marks and there is no negative marking? There is no negative marking. So, what is the general procedure in these kind of questions? That I know that if one person should have 1 marks, one should have 2 correct, one should have 3 correct, and one should have 4 correct, right? And which means that I should consider one by one each one of them to be all correct. For example, I'll assume Mithun to be all correct. Then considering these answer keys to be correct, I'll match that if I can allocate 3 marks to any of them, 2 to any of them, or 1 to any of them. Okay, this should be the standard procedure to this. If I just look at the table, I can see that these Prabhudeva and Naresh, they are having 4 and 3 values common. So it is high probability that Prabhudeva or Naresh can have 4 correct and 3 correct simultaneously or respectively. Right. So let us assume that Naresh has got all 4 correct. So Naresh has got all 4 correct: 1 mark, 2 marks, 3 marks, and 4 marks. 4 marks are scored in such a way. Prabhudeva will have 1 marks, 2 marks, 3 marks, and 0 for this, right? Rajnikant will have 1. No, sorry. Rajnikant will have 0, 1, 0, and 0. Oh, yeah, 0, 1, 0. And so Rajnikant is having 1 mark. So this person has 3 marks. Mithun has 1, 0, 0, and 0. I'm comparing these keys with this. I have assumed that Naresh has the official answer key. ठीक है, नरेश के चारों ठीक है, तो उसके comparatively मिथुन और रजनीकांत का सिर्फ एक एक ठीक है, which is not a possible case. Why? Because one person should have 2 correct also. So assuming Naresh to be all correct, I am not getting the 1, 2, 3, 4 series. So Naresh cannot have all correct. Let us say Prabhudeva is all correct. If Prabhudeva is all correct, 1, 2, 3, and 4 marks. Naresh will have 1, 2, 3, and 0 marks. Rajnikant will have 0, 1, 0, and 2. 2 marks. Okay, this means Mithun has 1, 0, 0, and 0 marks. So now this trend is satisfied. Then 1 marks, 2 marks, 4 marks, and 3 marks. So in this way, I can say that Mr. Prabhudeva has answered all the correct answers. So who got the minimum marks if each is this? Minimum marks are given to Mithun. So answer to the first question is Mithun, right? Okay. What is the sum of minimum and maximum total marks if each scored by anyone in exam, if each correct answer is worth 4 marks and there is no negative marking? So I can say 4 into 4, maximum mark is 16, minimum marks is 1 into 4, 4. So that is 20. And also for this question, I don't even need to know that which person has given all correctly, because I know that 1 correct, 2 correct, 3 correct, and 4 correct are possibilities. So for 4 correct, my marks are 16. For 1 correct, my marks are 4. So अगर मुझे नहीं भी टेबल पता होता कि कौन से कितने करेक्ट है, तो भी मेरा आंसर सही आ जाता है इसमें, right? So this is also done. Third, If each question carried 3 marks with a negative marking of 33.33, what is the second lowest marks got by anyone in the examination? Second lowest marks will be with this person. 2 correct, 2 wrong. So 2 into 3 is 6 and 2 negative. That 1 by 3 is 2 negative. So 4 marks is the net answer. Again, for this question also, I don't need to know that which person has answered which correctly. So even if I'm not able to break the confusions, I should be able to answer this. Okay. And last question is, what is the correct answer to question D? Assuming Prabhudeva has all correct answer is QR. QR is the correct answer. So again, a pretty easy and straightforward one. So these are my required answer. So as I said you, one of the easiest sets on the pendulum, and hence this completes my set. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.